this video, I'm going to read Predator versus Prey, Tarantula versus Bird. Tarantula versus Bird. Fang to feather combat. Fangs pierce, wings beat. Two animals clash in this battle. Here's one of the creepiest creatures in the rainforest. The tarantula. It's up against the chirping challenger, the finch. Pink-toed tarantula, red-crested finch. The competitors live in South America. Both have strength that will help them in this battle. Predator, pink-toed tarantula. Length, 5 inches. Weight, 1 ounce. Number of eggs laid at a time, 50 to 200. Prey, red-crested finch. Length, 5 to 1.5 inches. 5.5 inches. Weight, 1.5 ounce. Half an ounce. Number of eggs laid at a time, 2. South America. Creepy crawlers. The tarantula is covered in fur like hairs. They use these hairs to feel vibrations or movement nearby. Did you know tarantulas don't have teeth after catching prey? No, tarantulas don't have teeth. After catching prey, they inject them with juices from their fangs. That turns the prey inside into liquid, so the tarantulas can slurp them up. Fierce finches. The male finch has a red crest of feathers on its head. The finch's crest makes it look scary to an enemy. Do you know? A finch may use its sharp beak to protect itself if an enemy gets too close. Who's hungry? The tarantulas. The tarantula usually eats insects, lizards, or tree frogs. It will eat anything that wanders too close. After a big meal can go for almost a week without eating. Along came a spider. The finch flies to its nest with a big insect. Inside the nest hide 2 hungry babies. The pink-toed tarantula lives in a nest in the same tree. Its hairs feel a tree branch moving. It knows there must be something nearby to eat. This tarantula has made a nest out of leaf and spider silk. The chicks pick at the squirming insect apart. They are enjoying their meal. The parent finch flies off to search for more food for its young. Do you know tarantulas have 8 eyes, but they can't see very well. They need their hairs to show them the way to their next meal. And the tarantula moves very slowly toward whatever is moving. It climbs up the tree. Its hair-covered body helps it move quietly. The young finches finish off the insect. They wait for their parents to bring them more food. And I think I'm going to make a Who Would Win book called Ultimate Shark Rumble, my own version of it. And I think it will show up during the summer break. And today was the last day of school. And I can't believe I left at 9:25 while we started at 8:25. It's only 1 hour of school today. And there was cello, and then now I'm recording the book. The tarantula quietly sneaks down the branch toward the nest. When the tarantula is close, it charges at the baby birds. It charges at the nest. The baby birds are too young and to fly away and escape. The male finch swoops to rescue. It swats out a warning call. The finch hovers over its nest. It pecks the tarantula with its beak. The female finch hears the squawking and shoots toward the nest. She also starts pecking the tarantula. Did you know, when the tarantula is threatened, it tries to look bigger and meaner. It lifts off its front legs to the ground and shows its fangs. The tarantula rears up, but it doesn't scare the birds. The male finch slams into a standing tarantula and knocks it off the branch. The tarantula falls out of the tree. It spreads its legs out and floats through the air. It softly lands on the forest floor below. Do you know, tarantulas are nocturnal. They prefer to feed at night. Do you know, a tarantula has a claw in each leg. It can draw each claw in, just like a cat. And the winner is the finch. When finches work together, they can chase away almost any predator. Living in the trees of rainforests helps too. Not many predators can't climb all the way up the tree after them, so their young are safe for now. What are the odds? The pink-tailed tarantula doesn't usually eat birds, but sometimes the giant spider will find baby birds alone and eat them. But usually the parents are close by and won't let that happen. So the pink-tailed tarantula has to wait for other prey to hot buzz or slither by. Tree frog? The end. I hope you enjoy this book. And check out my cello videos too. And check out my poetry book